today we are continuing a birthday project for my daughter, and I'm going to use this card as my point of reference. If you want to see how I made this card, please check my recent uploads and you will see a video tutorial on how to make this. And I have a Dollar Tree frame here, and we're going to make something fun for my 5-year-old going on 6. So let's get started. Hey, welcome back. This is Eileen Judd from StampinMama.com, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up video if you like this video, so I can keep making more videos like this. Now let's get on with the project. So I measured out this picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was a 5x7 frame. I thought it'd be easy to do 5x7 and cut it out that way, and then I was wrong, so then I had to switch out the way I was going to mat things, because with the matting it's different. It's 5x7 inside the mat, but not really. So depending if you want to do this project or something similar to it, the size and variations of your mat will be different, but you should be able to figure it out and alter it the way you need to be. But right now we're on my me time, and I'm trying to get some crafting done while my husband takes care of the kiddos, and I can get my creativity going and making something cool for my little girl. So let's get started, because I only have a limited amount of time. So I have fresh big card stock here is my bottom mat, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue Melon Mambo on top with my Tombow glue. I don't want to use dimensionals or pop-ups or mounting foam on this, because it is going into a picture frame. I can't see this. I'm hoping this all turns out well, because I'm doing this raw for you. So let's learn together. I'm getting doobly bits everywhere. Luckily my daughter's more forgiving. And then I'm gluing on the back of Specialty Magical Day DSP from the Occasions catalog that expires May 31st, 2018. My hopes that this set becomes so popular that it will go into the annual catalog, but until then, let's assume it's limited edition. And if you like this stamp set, I should show you. This is the unicorn I'm going to be using from the stamp set for this picture frame. It's called Magical Day, and that's from the Occasions catalog. It's a Stampin' Up! Spring catalog. Don't forget, if you don't have a catalog already, feel free to request a catalog at my website, StampinMama.com. I'll be happy to send one out to you. I'm currently inspecting my picture as a reference, so I need to start assembling the rainbow I could do it similar or like that. I think I like it like that. You need to start with the top one, move along. Now if you want to see how I cut these out, I use die. I used dies that coordinate with this Magical Day stamp set, and I will insert the video clip here. As you can see, it's easy to do. And these pop out very nicely. Ooh, the scooched. Oh, not too bad. And we'll do the next layer. Doing the warm layers, warm colors first. Warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, and in our case it's real red, pumpkin pie, daffodil, delight. Those are the warm colors. Just trying to snug them in tightly. And I can go ahead and speed up the video right here. I'm adhering the clouds and trying to figure out how I want these placed. Similar but a little bit different. The other one, and then I think I wanted to grab my Wink of Stella to sparkle up the clouds. I'm super excited. I hope my daughter loves this gift. I'm going to put this up next to her bed. I hope she'll treasure this. She loves unicorns and rainbows. And when I saw the stamp set and the occasion catalog, I thought, how awesome. Because I have a boy and 2 girls, and it has something for each of them. Knights and wizards and dragons and mermaids and unicorns. It has something for girls and boys, and in between, whatever. Should I go ahead and sparkle up the rest of my unicorn? I think so. Alright. My daughter's favorite colors are pink and purple, and so I'm glad I was able to incorporate this as a mat into a picture frame. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down the clouds first. And I do have a sentiment that I want to stamp out that I think would be fun for my daughter to stare at and read as she gets older. It is so fun to see how early they can read. Just remembering being in kindergarten and being able just to play, and kindergarten was like preschool for me when I was a kid, and now it's so much more for these kids. If you see the deaf and the unicorn, I used Stampin' Up blend alcohol markers. Yeah, Bermuda Bay and Pool Party, I believe, or just Pool Party. But you can see that in my video on how I made the card if you want to see how I played with those fun alcohol markers. It's very relaxing. Let's see. Happy to use my me time to make something fun and sweet for my daughter. And I'm gonna take this, you can see that I've been using it a lot during my me time. Alright, I'm back. I have You Are the One of a Kind stamp sentiment from a Magical Day stamp set, along with Fresh Fig, one of the current in colors. Hear my baby boy in the background, he's cooing. There you go. Then I'm gonna cut this out. Well, I want to close this up because I don't want this to dry out. Okay. Me to make free hand cutting this stuff. Hopefully she'll appreciate the art of creativity. Actually they do. They love crafting, and hope to show you some fun videos crafting with them very soon. And I think, you know, it's hard for me to talk while I'm crafting, because I just like the silence of it. Alright, now I've got this finished. The true test is getting it into the picture frame. So, let's figure this out together. Oh, this is sort of nice. I think what I'll do is glue this to this, because it doesn't exactly fit in the inside, and finagle it in. Alright, so I glued that off screen. Try to scooch it just a little bit with glue. You can alter things a bit. So this should work out. Cross our fingers. And then this as the backing and make sure this is positioned correctly. And pull down the tabs. Alright, here we go. Oh, nice. Check out this birthday combo. I hope she likes this. If you like this and any of my other videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button down below, and make sure you don't miss any of my videos. Hit the bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload videos. If you have any questions, leave comments below. And don't forget to order these awesome products if you get a chance. Link to my shop is down below, along with the link to my product details and dimensions for these projects. Until next time, happy crafting. Good night.